Severe storm threat continues today along that northern tier. Check out the video that Brandon Kopic got when he hopped over the border and went into Canada yesterday afternoon. That is a gorgeous piece of video right here, right? That is a nice supercell. You can see the inner workings of it very well because it's a low precip supercell. Didn't have very high dew points to work with, so you're not seeing this thing wrapped up with a lot of rain, but you can clearly see the rotation with that wall cloud dropping down with a funnel and kicking up that dust pretty well. Wow, good stuff up there. Look at that, nice little tight funnel. All right, so what's going on right now? We're going to mop up all the action that happened last night. It continues to drive down right through Iowa into northern Illinois. So some heavier pockets of rain. We've got that as it rolls in this direction. Again, the ridge of high pressure is right about here and then down to the south. So that means you're going to see that hot temperature air mass right there into the south be in place again tomorrow as it slowly edges over to the east. We do have a couple of areas that we're watching, though. This right there is one flash flood warning. It's really the only thing we have. It's near Waterloo at this point. And zoom into the area. If you got the heavy rain, it's already gone. That is the good news. But we're probably going to re-rack it and reload it and do more severe weather later on this evening. A little farther north this time, though, as that ridge of high pressure builds in. Let me show you the deal. We've got this big old trough developing right there, right? You see the spin in the atmosphere. There goes our jet stream up and over, and that's going to be the same exact path that our storms are going to take. This batch of energy right there that's ejecting out of Montana is going to spark up a new round. And then later on this evening, we're going to see that low-level jet kick in like it always does in this direction and then kind of bend it over towards the right. That means those storms are really going to take shape after sunset tonight. So it's a level 3 out of 5 on the bad scale. It's a lot of acreage, the upper Midwest. You're looking at eastern Montana first. That's the initiation. Then it rolls right through North Dakota, including Fargo and Bismarck, and gets into northern sections of Minnesota, into Wisconsin and Marquette, Michigan, before it finally begins to fall apart. But then it'll pick up again and roll across northeast by tomorrow afternoon. Look at this. We do have a tornado threat, unfortunately. Extra shear out there. Any one of these storms that develops, it's going to be a supercell out ahead of this line, has a chance of turning into a tornado maker. And that includes Fargo. It includes Grand Forks also. So we're watching this area for tornadoes. About the same area, you can see the wind damage. This is non-tornadic. This is just straight line winds that we're worried about. We're calling for about 70, maybe 75-mile-per-hour winds out of these gusts as they continue to move over. Also, the hail makers, they're going to be out here later on this afternoon as well, really peaking out overnight tonight through tomorrow. But it's going to be the supercells that have the tornadoes and the hail damage with it. Look at the dew points. We're 86 degrees right there in Minneapolis with a dew point of 72. It's going to feel oppressive. Here comes the energy on top of you. It means big-time shower and thunderstorm activity developing. That is going to be after sunset tonight. So just a heads up. Right now, things are relatively quiet. I'm going to wind this up to about midnight tonight. Boom. That's when it really shoots up. You can see it.